بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم ما بعد. Lesson number 18, Plurals. A quick recap of what we learned in the previous lesson is being represented. In noun, number means the method representing whether we are talking of one thing or more than one. In English, there are only two numbers, singular number and plural noun. Singular noun is when a noun indicates only one person, object, or thing. You can see in the example a man, a girl, a boy, a kite, a child. You can see that all these nouns are indicating only one person or thing. One person or thing. A man is indicating one person, a girl, a boy are indicating one person. A kite and a chair are indicating one object or a thing or one thing. But in plural noun, a noun is plural when a noun indicates more than one person or more than one thing. It is a plural noun. You can see in the examples four mangoes, two horses, 10 books. You can see that in English plural, two or dual also comes in the plural number. But in Arabic, there are three numbers, singular number, dual number, and plural number. When a word indicates one, it is singular number. When it indicates two, it is dual number. When it indicates more than two, it is plural. We say al-mufrad for singular, al-musanna for dual, al-jam for plural. Al-mufrad, a noun is singular in number when it indicates only one person, object, or thing. Al-musanna, a noun is dual in number when it indicates two persons, objects, or things. In the previous lesson, we learned about how to make a singular noun a dual noun, how to make a mufrad noun a musanna. And in this lesson, we are going to learn about al-jam, plural noun. A noun is plural in number when it points to more than two persons or things. More than two. This is the point to remember. In Arabic, plural or jama is when a noun or a word indicates more than two, like four mangoes, three horses, 10 books. There are two types of plural noun. Al-jam'u al-mukassar, al-jam'u al-salim. Jam'u al-salim means sound or regular plural. And jam'u al-mukassar means broken or irregular plural. Jam'u al-salim. It is the plural in which the singular form of noun remains in its original form. It means that the singular noun, the spelling of the singular noun is same. Nothing is changed. It is formed simply by adding something after that. The singular form is not changed or replaced by something. Al-Jam'u Salim is divided into two categories, one for masculine and another for feminine. Al-Jam'u al-Mudhakkar Salim, sound masculine plural. Al-Jam'u al-Mu'annath Salim, sound feminine plural. Sound masculine plural. Now we are going to learn how to form sound masculine plural. You can see that in the page it is written It is formed by simply adding the letters waw and noon to the end of the singular noun. We said before that sound masculine plural we made not by changing the singular form. The singular form will remain the same, something will be added. That something is this waw and noon for masculine. When it is in nominative case, it will be waw and noon added. But when it comes to accusative and genitive case, it will be ya and noon. In nominative case, it will be waw and noon, and in genitive case and accusative case, it will be ya and noon. Thing to remember is when we add waw noon, the preceding letter, the letter before the waw and noon will get zamma. And when we add ya and noon, then the preceding letter will get a kasra. Inshallah, I will inform you in the example. I will point it so that it will be easy to understand. And another point to note is the noon in the sound masculine plural always gets a fatha. We learned that in dual the noon gets kasra and in plural the noon gets fatha. You can see the example Muslimun, Muslimuna, Muslimun, Muslimuna. This is nominative case. You can see that waw and noon are added, and you can see that the preceding letter, which is meme here, waw noon are preceded by meme. The meme is getting a dhamma. Muslimuna, and the noon is getting a fatha. In accusative case, you can see that Musliman, Muslimina. You can see that ya noon are added at the end, and the letter preceding, which is meme, is getting a kasra. And in genitive case, accusative case, Musliman, Muslimina. Genitive case, Muslimin, Muslimina. You can see that ya and noon are added, and the letter preceding, which is meme, gets a kasra, and the noon is getting a fatha. Muslimun, Muslimuna, Muslimina. Muslimun, a Muslim, Muslimuna, Muslims, Muslimina, Muslims. Mu'minun, believer, Mu'minuna, believers, Mu'minina, believers. Al-Muallimu, the teacher, Al-Muallimuna, the teachers, Al-Muallimina, the teachers. Now we are going to learn about Al-Jam'ul Mu'annath Salim, sound feminine plural. It is also a sound plural, so we will not change the singular form. Sound feminine plural is simply made by adding alif and ta at the end of the singular noun. But when the noun is in nominative case, the ta will get a dhamma, and when the noun is in accusative or genitive case, the ta will get a kasra. Now, the point to note is the letter preceding alif will always get a fatha. Whether it is nominative case or genitive case or accusative case, the letter preceding alif and ta will always get a fatha. You can see in the example Muslimatun, Muslimatun. Now, point to remember is when alif and ta are added, The round ta will be eliminated. Muslimatun, a female Muslim. Muslimatun, female Muslims. Al-Muslimatu, the female Muslim. Al-Muslimatu, the female Muslims. Al-Muslimati, the female Muslims. Now we are going to learn the second type of plural, which is al-jam'ul mukassar, irregular or broken plurals. It is the plural that has many patterns and it has no specific rule that this type of noun will get this pattern or this type of noun will get that pattern. There are no specific rule for this plural. Therefore, these plurals must be learnt by referring to a dictionary. Now we are going to see some examples of these types of plurals. You can see rajulun. Rajulun is a man. Rijalun, men. Qalamun, a pen. Aqlamun, pens. Madrasatun, a school. Madarisun, the schools. You can see that in each example, the the singular form is not the same. Rajulun, it doesn't remain rajul, it becomes rijalun. The harka on ra has changed, the harka on jim has changed. There is a alif between jim and lam. And in qalamun, you can see that alif is added before the harka of qaf has changed. It has become sukoon or jazam. And then you can see that between lam and meen, there is an alif. In madrasatun, the harka of dal has changed. A alif has been inserted between dal and ra, like this. Kitabun kutub, kitabun a book, kutubun books, baitun a house, buyutun houses, nafsun a soul, anfusun souls. You all have to make these nouns plural. These nouns plural. Like if it is a masculine noun, you need to do it plural sound masculine plural, or if it is an feminine noun, you have to make it sound feminine plural. If it is a noun and other nouns are qalamun, which we learned that this the plural of qalamun is irregular. You have to see the dictionary or Google Translator. Qamisun, kitabun, masjidun, jamalun, hajarun. These are other nouns which you all have to see the translator or Arabic dictionary to solve them. And because and after you solve this, you will learn how to identify which noun is singular, which noun is plural, which noun is irregular plural, which noun is regular plural. I hope you are understanding the lessons. If you want any clarifications, you can always share it in the comments box and the clarification will be given to you. And if required, we may also include the clarifications in the next lesson video. Kindly complete the exercises of lesson 18 in our book Learn Arabic the Easy Way and then proceed to the next lesson. سبحان الله وبحمده سبحانك اللهم بحمدك ونشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون، سلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين.